As someone, for example, na nagsa-start pa lang ng business, and then they are asking you for advice, these people na nahihirapan talaga sila.
Yeah.
Eh, ikaw pinagdaanan mo yan, no? What would you tell these people?
The most important thing, at least for me personally, in my 14-year journey, is your faith in God. Kasi pag wala yun, I think wasak na ako by now. I don't think SEO Hacker will be where it is today if it's not for my relationship with God. That is paramount to everything else that I do. Secondly, your conviction has to be whole. Hindi pwedeng iniisip mo, okay pa ba tong ginagawa ko o hindi na okay? Atras abante yung utak mo tsaka yung puso mo. It's gonna be hard to do it that way because if you don't have full conviction, you're bound to not think about solutions. You're bound to think about option B and C. Hindi ganun na negosyo eh. If you want to do business well, you have to have full conviction, have the strategies in place for your next 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. It will be a lot easier for you to do it if your conviction is whole. Merong precedent yun. Kailangan nasa tamang negosyo ka. I always tell starting entrepreneurs, choose the right business. So for me, you have to have the right business talaga and then have full convictions.
Actually, tama eh. Yun yan eh. Dahil kung nasa tama kang business, then go ahead, continue. Pero kung nasa mali kang business, maybe it's about time to cut your losses and move on.